Hi there, I'm Jules from Stone Soup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sausage and macadamia loaf. So in my bowl I've got 200 grams or 7 ounces of almond meal, 200 grams of, 7 ounces of roasted macadamias, and then 500 grams or a pound of sausages. I've just taken the skins off. And I'm going to pop in just a small bunch of sage that I've just roughly chopped. You could probably chop it a bit finer if you like. So, and then I've got 2 onions that I've softened in 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces of butter that I chopped. So I'm just going to get them in as well. They're still warmish, not super hot. And great, and then I'm just going to mix everything together, and actually the best way to do this really is with your hands. So we'll just get in there. So when your stuffing mixture is well mixed, so we're just going to pack it into the loaf pan. This is a 1 pound loaf pan, so I've lined it with baking paper because I hate when things stick, but you don't have to do that if you don't want. So just going to pack it in nice and tight so you get a nice firm loaf. And if you don't want to use almond meal, it is quite an expensive ingredient. You could always use breadcrumbs instead, a lot more traditional. But I like to keep it lower carb. And I like the flavour and the moisture you get from breadcrumbs. Actually, if you're using breadcrumbs, I'd probably use a bit more, an extra couple of tablespoons of butter just to keep it nice and moist. Great, so when you smooth the top. So my stuffing loaf's been in the oven, so 250C, which is 480F. It's been in there for about 20 minutes, and you can see it's lovely and golden brown, and when I got it out it was still sizzling. It's calmed down a little bit now. So I'm just going to let it cool for a few moments, and then I'm going to pull it out and slice and serve with the green salad, and that's pretty much all it needs. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for weekly email updates, you'll get a free e-cookbook full of simple dinner ideas just like this one.